Hey guys, Trent here with SonarPros, and we're rigging up Taku's boat. We're about 75% through it, but my favorite part about any Elite Series Pro boat or anyone's boat that's running a cool battery setup is the battery box. So back of his boat, it's kind of been a similar setup we've ran the past couple of years, always little changes, but starting over all the way on the passenger side, we actually have the whole 12-volt system on the passenger side for weight balance in this boat. Taku's a lighter guy, and when you have two AGMs on the driver's side, it wants to lean. So all the way on the passenger side, we've got a 300 amp hour Dakota lithium that is running all his electronics. Then two AGMs in parallel. The reason Taku runs two AGMs is in the event there's ever a problem with that lithium, he has two AGMs in parallel that will run his electronic system in the event he needs to use them for backup. Just redundancy on redundancy is the big thing with this boat. Then from there, he's got dual 36 volt 60 lithium batteries in parallel. And then to top it all off, we've got our harness powering the Hummingbirds and the Garmins in this boat. And the way Taku likes to run it, we've actually got two of our standalone lithium kits in this boat. One for the Hummingbird system and one for the Garmin system, which lets him dictate either the Garmin's run on lithium or the Garmin's run on AGM, or the Hummingbirds run on lithium or the Hummingbirds run off the AGM. So gives them flexibility to control which power source is for which device. And also we've got all our inline waterproof fuses in our harness going to all the devices. So really clean system in the back of this boat. We like to label everything. So all our parallel kits are labeled for what battery they go to, and all the wires are tucked. And then all of it is on a nice charging system with one charger pass through. So super clean system in the back of this boat. A lot of power for how Taku uses his rig. And yeah, it is always an adventure with these boats because it is ever-changing system every year. There's more graphs, less graphs, more batteries, less batteries. And it's always awesome to see the finished product with a really nice, clean battery box after there's been about probably 10 hours in the back of this boat. So really awesome setup. If you guys are interested in anything like this with a complete lithium setup, reach out to us at SonarProsElectronics.com.